Three sounds of the letter C in Spanish. Soft C sound in Spanish. When the letter C comes before E or I, it sounds like S in most Latin American Spanish. Examples: cena, cielo, cine, cero, ciudad. Hard C sounds in Spanish. When the letter C comes before A, O, or U, it sounds like K. Examples: cosa, comida, cultura, clase. Ch sounds in Spanish when the letter C is followed by H. Examples: chocolate, chico, mucho, leche, chile. Here are all three sounds of the letter C in Spanish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.